This idea of the one shining moment, that video that's going to play when you've accomplished whatever goal. If you're not familiar with this, YouTube has a number of NCAA tournament one shining moment. Go click on it, click on one of those, and play that song, and then think about it for yourself. What are you going to be doing when the music's playing, right? What will you have just accomplished? Write that down and keep that in mind. Maybe it's as short term as getting through organic chemistry. Maybe it's graduating from college. Maybe it's getting accepted to graduate school or medical school, or landing that first job, or getting that first paycheck, or whatever it is. When you've accomplished that goal, where will you be, right? Where will you be when you've achieved that thing? Write that down and let that be what motivates you, because we're going to get buried in organic chemistry concepts, and you're going to be working assessments and reading and studying up for other classes, and it can be easy to get overwhelmed, but by keeping that sort of eye on the prize, it reminds you, here's why we're doing this. When I wrote the words about my montage, it was about getting the printed book. Since then, I've gotten it, and I'm telling you, every bit of it's worth it, right? Every bit of it's worth it. Every bit of the energy, the time that was put into it, it's worth it, and it will be for you too. For me, thinking about that long term and what it's going to look like when we're finally finished, that keeps me going. If that works for you, write it down, keep that in mind, and let's get after that. Let's get after pursuing that goal together with the videos, the textbook, and all of these allies in learning. I hope you count me as one of those.